third way we can determine the credibility of a website is to start our search with an academic directory. An academic directory is a type of search engine that is put together by librarians, teachers, or experts in a subject. Editors select the websites to include based on their quality. You usually get fewer results, but they are the best sites. Here are a few tips to remember when you're using an academic directory. The information has already been checked by others, usually an editor of some type. That person has applied similar criteria to what you're learning here to make sure that you're looking at a quality site. Therefore, you don't even have to continue the evaluation process for using a site from an academic directory. Second, it's best only to use a few keywords. Usually when you use a regular search engine like Google, 3 or 4 keywords is probably better. In the case of an academic directory, try 1 or 2. If you can't find what you're looking for, try broader topics. In other words, if you're looking for information about the Battle of Gettysburg and you can't find anything, try using the terms Civil War, since it's a broader topic. There are several differences between an academic directory and a regular search engine. Websites that are included in an academic directory are selected by a human being, usually called an editor. The sites that are in a search engine are usually selected by a computer. Use a computer program called a spider. The sites in an academic directory can be based on quality because a person is evaluating them. But the sites that come up in a search engine results are only based on relevance. Relevance to how well they match the words that you put in the search engine query box. There's a smaller number of results in an academic directory, but they're of higher quality. And there's a very large number of results usually in a search engine, but they really vary in quality. When you search an academic directory, you're generally just searching the description of the website as opposed to all of the text on the website. And when you're using a search engine, you're searching all of the words on the page. In other words, it's called a full text search.